elements of ballroom dancing. So with these 4 elements of ballroom dance, you can do many different dances. So let's start with the element number 1, is a box step. So we're gonna move in the shape of box. Imagine the shape of box on the floor. So find your left leg, and we have 1 step forward with the left leg. Now with the right leg, we move 1 step side, and we close our feet together. Now find your right leg. Now we'll go back, side, together. Let's do it again. Forward, side, together, back, side, together. So this is element number 1, is called box step. Element number 2 is called triple step. So you will have 3 step one side, 3 step another side. So let's do triple step. Triple step, triple step. So this is already, we have 2 elements. We have a box step, we have triple step. So element number 3 is a rock step. So I'll demonstrate this way for you. So we rock and then step. So we're rocking in between feet. Rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. So this is already 3 elements of dance. We have a box step, element number 1. We have a triple step, element number 2. So it's a 3 step either side. And now we have a rock step. You're just rocking in between feet. So it's 3 elements. And the last but not the least element of dance is a tap. So this is a tap. So when you're not really stepping, you're just like slightly touching the floor with your foot. You can touch it with the right foot, and of course you can do it with the left. So this is the 4 main elements of dance. So we have a box step, element number 1. We have triple step, which is element number 2. We have a rock step, which is element number 3. And we have a tap, which is element number 4. All these 4 elements of dance combined with the walks, we can do many different dances. So what are the walks? So let's take a look at the walks. So walks are very simple. We can walk forward. We have forward walks. We have a walks backward. We can do walks to the side. We can do walks to other side. Or we can walk in place. So those are variation of walks. So if we combine walks together with elements of dance, we can do many different dances. Now let's take element of dance number 1, box. So without even adding anything to it, it's already, you can learn 2 dances. So the first dance is American rumba. All we have to do is just add a little bit rhythm to it. So we moving in a shape of box, forward, side, together, back, side, together. But now we'll add a little bit something special which make this a beautiful rumba. We'll add timing. So we say slow on the forward, quick, quick. We say slow, quick, quick. So what makes dance a dance? It's 2 things. It's action used and plus rhythm. So if rhythm of this dance slow, quick, quick, what action we use here? So it's a little bit hip, a little bit body action. So we go slow, quick, quick, slow. And here we already, by doing element number 1 element of the dance box step, we are already doing a beautiful rumba. Now doing the same step but with different action and timing, we can do dance number 2, which is a waltz. So waltz, we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have equal, each step has an equal timing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if we add characteristic action for waltz, which is a rise and fall, we can look like we are waltzing, dancing the same box step. So we already have 2 dances. We did our American rumba, slow, quick, quick with the beautiful hips, and we did rise and fall. Using rise and fall, we did our waltz. So it was already 2 dances. So now if we take another element of dance as a rock step and we combine them together, we can do also 2 dances, salsa and mambo. So we can do rock, step, then bring feet together, and then we do the same rock step forward. Rock, step, together. So by combining 2 rock step, we're already doing salsa. So you go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7. And because it's a Latin dance, we add a little bit hip action, body action. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If we know this step, salsa basic, we can do mambo basic. So mambo basic step is exactly the same, 2 rock steps together, but the timing is different. So instead of going on count 1, we're going to go on count 2. So you have 1, and then we go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So rhythm is only different. Okay, now let's move on. If we combine one rock step and 2 triple steps, we have a swing and jive. So another 2 dances. So we have a rock step, then we have 2 triple step, 1 triple step to the right, 1 triple step to the left. So if you would like to then swing, we're gonna count slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. If we want to make this step a jive, we're going to change timing slightly, but without changing a step. You have 1, 2. We're going to add a little bit sharper timing. 3, 4 with the dropping action. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2 more dances. Now next, if we combine one rock step with the 1 triple step and another rock step, we have cha-cha-cha. So let's take a look. So we have rock, step, then we have triple step to the side, cha-cha-cha, triple step. Now we have another rock step forward, rock, step, triple step. So now we're dancing cha-cha-cha. We can count 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And cha-cha is a Latin dance, so we have a lot of movements. We add a little bit hip, a little bit rib cage to make it more fun, more flexible, more beautiful. So this is a cha-cha. So another dance, very, very simple. Also we can use triple step and also element of dance tap. We have bachata. So we have triple step, then we add tap. Triple step, tap. And let's do with the timing. We have 1, 2, 3, and tap on count 4. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So bachata is nothing else as a triple step combined with the tap. Now, triple step itself, it can be a dance which is called polka. So if we're just triple stepping and changing direction, this is another dance which is called polka. Now, next one, if we combine one rock step, one side and one side walk, we'll have international rumba. So you have a rock, step, side. Another rock, step, side. So combining these 2 steps is very easy, and then we have international rumba. And next step, and the last dance for today, is going to be samba. Samba a little bit more difficult, but the basic step is quite simple. So you're stepping forward, and then you have a tap. You have a back, tap. And what makes dance dance? Of course, timing, rhythm, and action. So samba has a little bit bouncing action, and we're going to add timing of samba, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 12 dances, and that's just the beginning. Enjoy and follow for more.